Letlhafula, that simply translated as, let us enjoy what we have harvested and feast and enjoy everything else that comes along. Today we are at the Orange Letlhafula annual event at the Botswana Craft, where we're going to be enjoying everything that is very traditional or associated to Botswana in terms of your games, your food, your alcohol beverages which are made traditionally, and all the fashion that you would like to see from the tradition of Botswana. Now you sit back and we'll be bringing you a whole lot more from Botswana Craft. The Orange Letlhafula is a cultural food festival and has been ongoing for the past 10 years. The festival includes a large variety of food, dance, music, games, and of course, the fashion. This year's theme was simply entitled Letlhafula. As we discovered, this traditional food festival consisted of a variety of different types of food, from mopane worm down to enjoying morogo wa Setswana. Well, as you can see right now, we are actually cooking with the traditional pots here at the Botswana Craft for the Letlhafula Orange Festival. Right now, these ladies are cooking what is called morogo wa Setswana, which this side, what she's done is added some peppers to add some flavor to it. And what's going to happen is, in this pot, is that they're going to add powdered nut flavor into it, which is going to give it a bit of a nutty traditional taste, if I may say. So you stick back, as we're going to be bringing more from Botswana Craft at the Orange Letlhafula Festival. One's eyes can also get lost in the intriguing fashion, as well as enjoying the traditional sounds. Or if you're still young at heart, you would also enjoy some of the indigenous games. As you can see, I've just actually dished out all the delicacies that I could find along in this line. As you can see, I've got some traditional meat, mopane worms, some spinach, and some tripe. So I'm going to sit down and indulge myself in all this delicious food. Now let's talk about Letlhafula and what it's all about.
Man, this is a celebration of our traditional time of harvest. It's all about celebrating in terms of music, activities, but more especially the food. That's what it's about.
Now, how did the whole concept come about?
Letlhafula itself has been in existence for 14 years. We should give it, starting time of 2000. But more especially for us as Orange, we've been sponsoring it for 8 years. And for us, it's about celebration of who we are as Botswana, and that's why we are proud sponsors of Letlhafula as Orange.
Now, for somebody out there who's actually watching Good Morning Africa and wants to attend Letlhafula maybe in the coming years, what are they expecting to see here?
There's a lot of activities, traditional game, dibeke, as you saw, kantele, and everything else that is associated with celebration in terms of beverages, traditional beer, our ginger, and dijo tsa rona tsa Setswana. So we're extremely excited in terms of the activities that we're offering, but also arts and craft, which is something that we've been adding to this now for the past 6 years, where people now come in, show what they're doing with recyclable material, and also expansion in terms of the traditional way